and today we will be learning about laws, how they affect us, how we use them on our daily lives, and whether or not they are hazardous to give you all awareness. My name is Moira, and I'll be joined by my trusted companion Yeshua Lumiba as we discuss this very important subject today.
Exactly, partner, which is why we decided to select Boyle's Law and Gay-Lussac's Law as our two certain laws.
So first, we'll be discussing Gay-Lussac's Law. But what is Gay-Lussac's Law?
According to the gas law known as Gay-Lussac's, a gas's pressure when kept at a constant volume and mass varies in direct proportion to its absolute temperature. In other words, when a gas's mass and volume are fixed and constant, its pressure is proportional to its temperature. To help you better understand Gay-Lussac's law, let's apply it to a real-world scenario. For example, after driving, the tires have more air in them. This is due to the air within the tires heating up as a result of friction between the tires and the road. Gay-Lussac's states that because the air cannot expand and the tires are effectively fixed volume containers, the pressure rises.
That is interesting. But if that ever happens, don't you think that this could be dangerous?
Yes, it is. As the temperature rises, either the volume must be raised or the pressure must rise. However, tires are not usually fully inflated since it would result in poor grip. As a result, they have room to expand but not usually to the point where it would normally result in an explosion of the tires. However, if you did fill the tire to the brim to the point where it would resemble a balloon, the tire may explode as the air within expands as temperature rises. If you're careless with the quantity of air you fill the tire with, this has happened during the periods of intense heat. As I previously stated, this is undesirable because, as is typically mentioned in all of the driving instruction books, I am aware of excessive tire pressure causes tires to have less traction.
Ooh, that is very informative information. I'm sure they learned a lot from you.
Regards, partner. After we finish talking about Gay-Lussac's law, could you kindly explain Boyle's law to us?
No problem, partner. Well, according to the Boyle's law, the volume of gas is inversely proportional to the pressure if it exerts at a given temperature. In other words, gas will condense to fit into an enclosed area when it is poured into it, but the pressure it exerts on the container will rise.
How can we avoid making the balloon pop? Because some of the children cry when they hear a balloon explode, and I know someone who's still hearing them.
Good question, Yeshua. Now, the solution to this is to not completely fill up the balloon. Rather, fill them partly or separately, since the possibility of the balloon popping would be low if it weren't completely filled with gas.
Nice idea. I certainly hope they learn you something from us.
I'm sure they do. Now remember, safety is no accident. Make safety a reality.
And don't be a fatality.